To yet another tutorial of zero touch integration with payment gateways. So here we have, I think we have covered already Stripe and Razorpay, and in this tutorial we will cover how to integrate zero touch with PayPal. So as we have showcased, if we have to integrate any payment gateway, you have to go ahead and go into settings and then choose payment gateways, and inside that we have to click on add a new gateway. So here we would be adding a PayPal. So again, we would be needing a client ID and a client secret key, which we have to, kind of copy and paste it from the PayPal. And we are going to show you step by step how you can get one, get the set of one for you. So we go ahead in the PayPal account, you have to log in, and inside that you have to go on tools. All right. Under that, you have to click on all tools. Once you do that, PayPal will open up the resources section, inside which you have to go ahead and click on integrate PayPal. Now, inside this, there's an option of developer site. You click on it. All right. So now once we are on this page, you have to go ahead and click on dashboard. Once you're into the dashboard, you would see that you would be redirected to PayPal's developer dashboard, in which you have to go ahead and click on live inside my apps and credentials. That's where you'll be getting your keys. So as you know, the difference between sandbox and live, sandbox means it's a test transactions which you'll be conducting, but as we are setting up a new store, we are setting up transactions, so we have to make sure that the real money comes in. So click on live and then click on create app. Once you do that, you have to name your application. So you would name Zero Touch and Current Electronics. That's my store's name. You can give any other name or your client. If you're setting up for a client, you can set it up the client's company name or business name over here. So click on create app. Once we do that, you can see that your client ID and your secret, which we will of course blur out later, but you can see that your client ID and your client secret is now out. So you have to make sure that you just copy the whole thing from over here, Control C, or if you're on Mac, you can press Command C, and come out in zero touch settings and paste the client ID over here. Make sure that you're not having any spaces, and everything is configured very well. So we would be back to the PayPal developer index, and we would just go ahead and click on this client secret, which of course we will blur out. So just copy this and paste it. Oops, I think uh, yep, I'll just copy it and I'll paste the whole thing over here. And yes, we have added the PayPal successfully. It says added successfully into this account. All right. So in order for you to go ahead and check out where it is working, so you go ahead inside catalogs, and under the catalog which you have created for your store, click on edit catalog, and inside this, add with cash a new payment gateway, which is a PayPal account number one, and click on save catalog. Now, in order to test it out, you have to just click on this button and your catalog would be open. Go ahead and choose any products of your like. For example, if we just buy a TV, we'll just go ahead inside the checkout and we'll say continue to pay, and we have the payback option over here. So just click on pay and confirm order. It's asking for a name, so I'll just put a name and my email which we have registered with. Now it will show the PayPal button. Have a look. PayPal button is being showcased over here, and that's how you integrate PayPal and with your zero touch, and make sure that everything is configured correctly. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to Zero Touch YouTube channel, and we will be posting more tutorials as we go along. So till then, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.